Hi, this is Jan, and this is part 2 of going to get the farm equipment. I try to show you the river. It really rained a lot. It had to yesterday or sometime. It is pretty full. Look at the geese out there. We can see them. Well, we're going into Maggie's Valley. Ghost town has become a ghost town. Used to be a popular place. Yep, there's Aunt Bee's. Going to Aunt Bee's Bible store. There's some other shops down there. Whoops. Sorry about that. There's some other shops down there. Hey. How are you? I'm doing good. Look at her babies. Right in the way of the mirror, Randy. Okay, stop. Here's some babies. Okay. She's being a good mama. And the babies are right behind her. Look at a little baby turkey. I'm used to baby turkeys, but this one's wild, so that's cute. Yeah, he's on the... There's 2 or more. I don't know exactly how many she's got. She's got a bunch of them there though. 6 or 8. Okay, you guys. And that behind us coming. I see 3. 4. Okay, he's counted 6. You can count more than I can because I'm busy trying to just videotape them. I'm going up some. Mama keeps coming back to check on them. That's a good mama. And then look at the view that they have, y'all. Oh, isn't it beautiful? Breathtaking. Alright, we're going to leave her alone and let her take care of her babies. So bye, Mama Turkey. Gobble, 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 gobble. I stand corrected. It is not gobble, gobble, gobble. It's yuck, 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 yuck. Call him, Randy. What turkey hunter? Sorry, I'm trying to get my hands out of the way and hold this thing while we're turning.
Hard to do.
It is. Oh, but that view is pretty.
It is gorgeous.
So we are just riding on the what's it called again?
Blue Ridge Parkway.
The Parkway. I couldn't think of it. So here we go, and we're gonna see Mama Turkey one more time. We're just gonna see him. We're not gonna stop. There she is. Whoops. Okay.
Got all the balloons up there.
She's being a good mama. Guess what we're gonna have in just a minute, y'all? A tunnel. Yay! If I can get this stuff off. Dash. Bad enough got to look at a dirty windshield, and I got to look at other stuff.
Big Stone Ridge Tunnel.
It's gonna get dark, y'all. Yeah. It's getting really. Where were you when the lights went out?
In the dark. Nice to see a bear like that.
I know it. Wouldn't it be nice?
Yes. Across that.
That's pretty. Well, how'd you sleep last night?
Not too good. Had a hard time.
Life keeping you awake? Yeah.
Well,
I kept him awake a lot last night. It
it was
was.
really noisy.
It was. I set up till about 11 o'clock and I had to cut the air conditioner off because it was cold. So when I went to bed, I cut the air conditioner back on. Well, it cut right back off. And the people right beside us had children, and they didn't go to bed till 11:30. They were banging on the wall and slamming the door. And I love children. I raised them. Three, and in a hotel a lot. So I had went to sleep, and the air conditioner cut off, and they were banging the door, and I was wide awake then until probably 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. And it just wasn't a very good rest. So the walls were a little thin here. I don't think we would stay here again, would you?
I think I'm going to take me a nap while I'm driving going home today.
I will. You won't. But anyway, I want to show you the bathroom. This is the last room. I understand they have like 2 or 3 handicap rooms. So it's a king size bed. We're used to king size bed. That's what we use at home. And there's nothing wrong with the room itself. It's modern. It's pretty.
It's a nice looking room.
Yeah, and well, we have the roof, what is that little roof out there? That's to the little porch they have that you park under to come into the office. I don't know what it's called though.
It's just a little A-frame room.
But anyway, and there's a mountain on the other side, and so that's pretty. We didn't get in till last night till about 9 o'clock, and so we didn't see any of the view till this morning till I opened the window. But I want to show you this bathroom real quick. That's a pretty couch. Sorry about the bed. Hey. And then the window outside to the mountain. And then they've got a little. So into the bathroom. Now the bathroom is what gets me. This looks really nice. But this bathroom looks like a hospital room. And I know it's for handicap, but this vanity is about to fall off the wall. And when you're trying to get for me, getting my hair done, there's not much light up there. But look at this tub. It's like 2 foot off it's a jacuzzi, but it's like 2 foot off the ground. I'm short, so I literally have to sit on it and slide over into it, and just didn't care for that. But it does remind me of the hospital, and that's not the color's just not very pleasing to the eye. But oh well. And they have some problems with the drainage in their toilet. So that's not good either. But we probably, like I said, we wouldn't stay here again. But now we're fixing to go down to breakfast, and hopefully it'll redeem itself. Well, we told y'all it was raining. You can't hardly even see outside now. Whew. There it goes. Raining. Stay on the road. It's that bad, ain't it? I think we're gonna have to slow way down. Huh? Well, I don't want you going flying anyway. Not beautiful. I keep moving that list. Whee! Go to the light! Go to the light! Oh, we're in the light. We did go for the light. Look at that sky. It's just so pretty. Wow. Lord's outdone himself. But he usually does.
Yes, he does.
Yeah, you want little cars to come when you go around these curves, don't you? I tell you what, it's just kind of hold on for dear life. Makes you dizzy.
Well, thank you, Jan.
No, I'm just saying the road is that curvy. If I'm going to ride with anybody, I want to ride with you. I trust you. You turn the camera. There we go. We're trying to catch up with Barney. He's in that police car right there. It looks just like Mayberry. I'm sorry, y'all. The road is so bumpy. And this truck don't help things. Gotta go around him. Might get a ticket. You know how Barney is.
Right.
Did he cut his line?
Yeah, he cut his line on.
I didn't see it. Well, if we can get up beside him, it's Sheriff. There is just no telling what you are going to find on the road when you travel. And we just come across Barney. Wasn't actually Barney, but you know, it was his car. I like it anyway.
Well, we made it home.
Oh, we're home, thank the Lord. Tired. It's 8 o'clock at night.
Yes, it's 8 o'clock. Thank the Lord for a good trip, going and coming.
Amen. And so now we're going to have fun of unpacking the truck and getting it unloaded in the house. So
That's right.
thank you for watching.
Have a good day.
Bye.